Module 5, Generating a Bill of Materials, covers the following topics: generating a bill of material, removing a bill of material, updating an existing bill of material, and special items. Once the dimensioning is completed, we can then create a bill of material. Select the Bill of Material tab, then select the Generate Bill of Material tool. By default, the current drawing is selected. Click Next. We can set line number filters or component size filters if required. Click Next. We can also set a destination filter. Click Next. Select the bill of material template. We'll use the standard bill of material. And then select the output format for the bill of material. We'll use the default insert into the drawing. Click Finish. We will pick the top right corner and add the item balloons. Select OK and add balloons for each of our components. When you want to connect balloons together, you can actually snap to their quadrants. And our bill of material is now complete. Let's take a quick look. All of our items, the pipe, the flanges, weld fittings, everything based on our bill of material settings. To make changes, we can go to our bill of material manager and we can adjust all of the information for our bill of material. Let's look at the other methods of creating the bill of material. Select the Generate Bill of Material. And we'll take a look at the web page. We can save the file. And let's take a quick look at it. That's our HTML file. Let's take a look at the spreadsheet. Again, we can save it and a view of our spreadsheet. Let's repeat it again. We can save it and we can take a look at the text information. Raw text data, TXT file. And the last method is creating a separate drawing all by itself. And we can open up that file. There's our bill of material as a separate drawing. Our next topic is to remove the bill of material. If there are a lot of modifications to be made, sometimes it's easier to remove the bill of material and recreate a new one. Simply select the Remove Bill of Material tool, select OK, and the bill of material and the item balloons are removed. Modifications can then be made to the drawing and a new bill of material created. The next topic is updating an existing bill of material. So we've already placed our bill of material with item balloons. Now let's add some components into our drawing. So let's finish off this little threadlet and add a drain. I'll set my size to 1 inch, place a pipe nipple, place a valve. Let's go with a little ball valve. And finish off the plug. We've added some items to our drawing. Now we need to update our bill of material. Two ways of doing it. First way, if we go into our bill of material routine, it will come up with a message saying we can generate all new components, newly placed components, or using existing bill of materials numbers. Let's just generate a bill of material newly placed components. This will add to the existing bill of material and only add those items to our bill of material. So it only adds the new information. The other method of doing it would be to remove the bill of material and create a brand new bill of material. whichever way works best. Our last topic in Module 5 is special items. When an item or a component doesn't exist in the isometric software, we can create one and have it added to the bill of material. It is considered a special item. For this sample, I have created a simple little steam trap. We'll zoom up on it. Once we have our symbol created, we can then add the information for the special item. Select the bill of material tab, select the special item. All data must be filled for this dialog. So we'll set the size, the rating, the spec, the description, material, the schedule, manufacturer, the dimension, catalog number, tag if there is one. Click OK. Pick the insertion point somewhere near the center of the symbol, and there's our tag. We can then add that to the bill of materials. We'll go into our bill of material routine, just newly placed items. And we'll add that item balloon. And there is our information for that special item. This concludes the topics covered in Module 5. Please review Module 5 or select the next module.